Hi. Power on MECHA by long pressing the power button. In this video, we are going to show you how to restore your MECHA C2 to factory settings. Before starting this procedure, we recommend that you access the user interface and export your presets, so that you can import them later, if necessary. After powering on, the display of our MECHA C2 shows the preset menu, which means that simple mode is on. Note that in advanced mode you need to long press the menu button to display the menu. Then press the menu button normally to switch to the config menu. Here is the option that allows you to switch between simple and advanced mode, but we recommend that you continue in simple mode. Navigate to page 8, using the right arrow button. Then find the factory reset option, using the down arrow button. Now press the center button, to confirm the start of the reset procedure. MECHA will show you the code corresponding to the factory reset option, which you don't need now, then a message appears telling you what to do next. Press the center button again. Then the power button. Now just wait for the reset procedure to finish. No further action is needed, MECHA will restart automatically. Thank you for watching.